Estonian language has been spoken on these lands for at least 2,000 years. The first written verb in Estonian was to sing, mentioned in the Livonian Chronicle 800 years ago. And we sing to this day, alone and in groups. Our song festivals have been bringing together tens of thousands of singers for over 150 years. Reading has been a part of our culture for half a millennium. First book in Estonian will be 500 years old in 2025. Over 90% of Estonians have been literates for over 100 years. Based on the PISA tests, Estonian children's reading skills are at the top of Europe and the world. The Estonian Reading Association was founded on May 9, 1992. We are members of the International Literacy Association and the Federation of European Literacy Associations. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy Environment, Environmental Literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.